This project is a menu-driven calculator application developed in Java using the concept of interfaces. The program performs basic arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also provides number system conversion functions including decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. The project demonstrates the implementation of interfaces, classes, methods, switch case statements and user input handling using the scanner class, making it a simple example of object-oriented programming in Java.
An interface in Java is a blueprint of a class. It contains only method declaration and not the implementation. Here, calculator interface is an interface. It contains 6 method declaration: add, subtract, multiply, divide, decimal to hexa and hexadecimal to decimal. The interface only specifies the methods that must be implemented. It does not provide the method body. The calculator class implements the interface using the implements keyword.
The implement keyword is used because interfaces contains only method declarations and no method definition. The add method performs addition of the two double values and prints the result. The subtract method subtracts the second number from the first number and displays the result. The multiply method multiplies two numbers and prints the multiplication result. The divide method divides two numbers and checks whether the divisor is a 0. If the divisor is 0, the divide method displays an error message to avoid runtime error. If the divisor is not 0, the divide method performs the division normally. The decimal to hexa method converts a decimal number to hexadecimal value using Java's built-in function. The hexa to decimal method converts a hexadecimal number into a decimal number using base 16 conversion.
So this section displays the calculator menu to the user. It shows all available operations. The user selects an option by entering a number. The selected number is stored in the variable choice. So the switch statement uses the choice to perform the required operation. Now I am going to explain case 1 and case 2, which is addition and subtraction. So this case runs when the user selects 1 means addition. The program asks for two numbers. Both numbers are stored in variables A and variables B. So the add method is called using object add. So the method adds the two numbers and displays the result. Break stop the switch statement and exit the case. In the same way, subtraction also happen. So this case runs when the user enters selects the 2 means the subtraction. So the program asks for two numbers. The number are stored in variables C and D. The subtract method is also called using object subtract. This method subtracts second number from the first number and display the result.
Now that we have seen how the calculator performs addition and subtraction, now I will explain the next two operations, that are multiplication and division. In case 3, the program performs multiplication operations. It takes two numbers as input and passes them into the multiply method and calculate the product using multiplication operator, and the result is displayed on the screen. In case 4, the program performs division operations and it also takes two numbers as input and passes them into the divide method. And before dividing, the program checks the second number is 0. If it is not 0, the division operation is done. Otherwise, the message cannot be divided by 0 is shown.
Hello everyone, I will explain the code about simple calculator in Java. In that I will explain switch cases. In that case 5 and case 6. In that case 5 to convert decimal number to hexadecimal number. Then case 6 hexadecimal to decimal number. In that case 5, the program asks the user enter the number. Enter the value is stored in the variable DEC. After taking the input, the method decimal to hex is called using the function object obj. Inside this method, the built-in Java function decimal number into hexadecimal number format. The method are two uppercase is used to changes the hexadecimal letters to capital letters. Finally, break stops the switch case is used. Then come to case 6, it's like that hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Like case 5, the program asks the user enter the value. Then the method to hex to decimal is called object. Inside the method hexadecimal to decimal is called with object. Inside the method Java function to convert hexadecimal to decimal format. In that 16 represent hexadecimal number system. Then it will coming back to break. Then will finally execute. Thank you.
When we run the program, first it shows the menu with options like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then the program asks us to enter our choices. Based on the choices, if we select addition, it asks two numbers and shows the sum. If we select subtraction, it shows the difference. Multiplication, it shows the product. And if we select division, it shows the result and check if denominator is a 0. And if we select decimal to hexadecimal, it converts number to hexa. And hexadecimal to decimal, it converts into decimal. Finally, the result is displayed as output. Thank you.